done. Good morning. It's Saturday and today I'm going to film a day in the life on the weekend. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Hayden has been talking to himself for about 20 minutes and now I'm gonna go in and get him. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You want some strawberries? Let me look at them. Yeah, The funniest part about him picking strawberries and now eating them is that he's never really taken a liking to strawberries before. Are you ready for breakfast? For breakfast, Hayden had eggs, oranges, and the strawberries that he picked out, and we started giving him a utensil to use. So right now we're basically just loading it for him and he will eat off of it. He's not poking food himself yet, though we are working on it. And I talk about what type of fork this is a little bit later on in the video, so keep watching. Good job. Can you clap? Good job. Hayden, are you all done? Oh, say all done.
Hayden, are you all done? All done?
Are you all done? Say, all done. All done. On Saturdays, we take Hayden to his swim lessons. This is his 6th swim lesson. And my husband and I have been switching off as to who goes in, but I'm going in again today. And yeah, so that's basically what we do on Saturday. Let's go get Hayden up. He just slept for an hour and 15 minutes. Hi. Hi. Daddy. Where's Dad? Say Dada. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna unzip. Oh no, don't cry.
Hi.
There's Dada.
Hi.
Dad.
Hi.
Hayden. Hayden.
Hayden, come on. Come on. Let's keep going.
Mama hen has
Good job, Card.
Oh wow.
Can you push the button?
I think it's going to be a cold night. Let's cover the cows in a nice warm blanket.
Hayden, can you ring the bell? Ring the bell. Good job. time gets really tight and we have to give Hayden a quick lunch and then put him down for a nap, which I didn't end up recording anything. And this is him waking up from his afternoon nap. And then we give him a little bit of fruit, play, while my husband made dinner. Did Dada make you a nice dinner? Garlic shrimp and fried rice. Here, you want to eat it with a spoon? Like this? Okay, I just wanted to share Hayden's new plate and his new utensils. So the plate is by OXO TOT and it like has such good suction. Like I'm like tugging on this and it will not come off. You have to actually, where's the side? You have to like get your finger under here. And you have to really pry it off. This has been amazing. We've had it for like just about a week now and he's never gotten it off of his high chair. Utensils are by a company called Grabease and they're supposed to be like really ergonomic for babies because like they palm a lot of stuff, so it's really easy for him. So we basically just load the fork right now and he's able to pick it up and eat with it. He's not really able to poke anything yet, though he gets close sometimes. And then we haven't used the spoon a whole lot, but I'm actually ordering the bowl that goes along with this, and then we will start doing some like foods that require a spoon, which I'm sure will get really messy. We actually just ordered another one of the utensils, so we had a second set. We really, really love them. They come in all kinds of colors like teal and purple. Yeah, but we just got the gray. Enjoyed hanging out with us today. This is kind of a usual Saturday for us, especially since Hayden started his swim lessons. We're continuing those on for quite a while, so that's going to be like our usual Saturday. But yeah, it was a good day, and yeah, one more day of the weekend and then back to work tomorrow. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!